Hi everyone, I'm Chad. Welcome to Maker's Bench. We're in our video series on sketch constraints, and this sketch constraint video is about the equal constraint. It's a very straightforward constraint, another one of the very simple constraints. So let's just draw a rectangle. What we're going to do is we're going to change this rectangle into a square. We're going to simply say that we're going to use the equal constraint, and we're going to say I want this side and this side to be equal. Now, as you move this guy around, it's going to keep them equal, and your rectangle is now a square. You can also use equal with things like if you have a circle here and a circle here, you can tell it that you want your circles to be equal. All right. Now, if you dimension one of these circles and you tell it that you want it to be 300 millimeters, they're both going to be 300 millimeters. So it works with, arcs. I believe you can use it with an arc as well. So if I said, if I was basically, let's draw a line here, put an arc in, come down, and I'm going to put another arc in down here. Now I'm going to use the tangent constraint real quick just to smooth all this stuff out, just to make it that way. And if I wanted to say that I want this arc and this arc to be equal, that's what it does, is it makes the radius, or if I say 150, the radius then becomes, and if I try to dimension this one, if I try to dimension this, it doesn't even let me because there's a constraint locking it in up there. So again, that's another spot where you can eliminate a lot of dimensions with the equal constraints. So if you've got two things that are going to be the same size, using that equal constraint is a good way to do that. All right. If you have any questions or comments about the equal constraint, feel free to throw those down in the comments below. I'll try to answer any questions I get. And of course, I like to see the comments. I love hearing your comments about these things. So please put them down there. And if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. I do appreciate that. And we'll see you next time.